Well, hello everybody. Marie Spring here, host of the Teach and Profit Summit, and here with me is Simona Ksoll, and we're going to be talking about one of the greatest strategy in terms of putting your online course and program out there, which is called launches. You probably have heard about this one. Jeff Walker, popular made it this one so popular with his product launch formula, but this time we are going to have Simona help us through these launches, launching our course or program. But before that, I want to welcome you on stage, Simona.
Hi, Marie. Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be here with all of you. Thank you.
I am excited as well, and I'm sure our audience too. So first up, before I get too excited here, why don't you share a brief background of how you got started that led you to doing what you are doing today?
Okay, so I'm a brand marketing strategist and a mentor for women and small business owners. I've been working in the entertainment industry for the past 20 years, and for the past 15 years, I've been doing product launches for Sony Pictures. So I launch blockbuster feature films and television shows in the overseas market. So I develop the go-to-market strategy, and then I actually bring all the bits and pieces together that somebody in France or in Germany would need to put the DVD into a store. So I'll do the packaging, I create the TV spots, I work with the promotional team, I work with talent as a liaison in terms of promotions and approvals. And yes, that's what I've been doing. And then about 2 years ago, I took some time out for myself, and I wanted to reconnect with who I am. It's a personal, issue that I had. I went through a divorce, and I went into yoga teacher training, and all of a sudden there, I realized that there was more to life. Long story short, there was a life coach in the teacher training. I had no idea what the life coach did, but we started working together, and I started enrolling in a year-long personal development program where I met a lot of other women who were coaches and who were really fantastic at what it is they do, but they didn't really know anything about marketing. So what I started doing is I helped them connect their marketing dots so that they could actually go out there with a strategy, get the message heard, and attract clients. Because, marketing is what I do all day, every day, and that is kind of my forte. And now it's morphing more into mindset work with clients, because inevitably when you work with somebody on a marketing strategy, this stuff tends to come up. So it's a mix of both. But yeah, that's my story.